Hi guys, in this video, we are going to know how can a normal sound system be converted into Bluetooth system. Okay. To make this, we mainly need two components. This is the Bluetooth audio receiver. It receives the sound signal from a mobile or PC and send it to the input of sound box. This is the IC7805, which regulates various ranges of input voltage to 5-volt output. First of all, open the front part with the help of a screwdriver.
This is the circuit where we have to connect our two components. Here, you can identify the left, right and ground input points. This is the positive and negative point. You can check this with a multimeter.
The connection should be like this. The positive and negative points of this home theater will be connected to left and middle point of IC7805 respectively. And the positive and negative points of Bluetooth module will be connected to right and middle of the IC7805 respectively. The left, middle and right sound pin of Bluetooth module and home theater circuit will be connected as usual. Fit the front part. Now it's time for testing. Make sure to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.